Hi, our dear ones. Welcome back to Marijo Family Channel. My name is Mara. Today, as you can see, it's a very special day to us because we want to prepare very special things here. We have together with us the arrowroots here. We have bought them from the market. We want to cook them, what we call the arrowroots crisps. Go together with us, watch us, and see how we are going to prepare them. Before we start our preparation, let me invite my husband, John, to say hi to you people.
Viewers, my name is John. As already my wife introduced, today, as she already said, we are going to have a very special arrowroot crisps. So we walk together with you and see what she's going to do. Also, we want to remind you to keep subscribing, keep sharing our video, keep liking our videos, and we do appreciate a lot. So welcome.
So guys, we start by peeling our arrowroots. I'm used to potatoes. I was almost saying potatoes. That is our cash crop here, the potatoes. That is why every time, So you want to sit on that jerrycan? So takalia. Sawa.
Mom.
Yes.
Yeah. I bet Bobby to pika.
You see, say hi.
Hi viewers, my name is Lucy. Welcome back to Marijo Family Channel. Today my mom is cooking
The arrowroots.
Crisps. Yeah.
You want to taste them?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, Blessing. Say hi.
Greet people. Wasalimie vizuri.
Fanya hivi. Mwambie jina yako ni nani? So
guys, here we are. We have our 3 arrowroots ready peeled. So we want to start by cleaning them so that we can start chopping them. So let's go and clean. Wait, Mama.
Mom.
Oh, tutachukua. look like milk. Hey. Yeah, almost finalizing. Guys, we want to drain the excess water that we have. Okay. Yeah, our cooking part is okay. The oil is okay.
So yummy.
Yes. Yummy.
Yummy. You have said you cannot even wait for them to finish cooking. Yeah, eat. Yummy. Chips, eh?
Yes.
We shall just add a little salt. Yeah. Guys, this is another way to keep your children busy and also to make them feel that they are eating variety of things. So they like crepes so much, so I changed with sweet potatoes, the arrowroot. The next time maybe I'll cook for them
Cassava.
the cassava arrow, the cassava what? The
Fried cassava.
Wow. Yeah, and also we go to the green bananas crisps.
Yeah.
We have to cook varieties of them so that they can feel it is crisps. For sure they are good.
They are okay.
They are good. I put more, but you there. Mesha. So delicious.
I feel like I will eat all of that.
You eat everything? That's why Mesha. Utaka ingine? You want to eat until the last piece? Goja, wait. Wait. Goja.
Hi guys, my name is Nganga. The arrowroot crisps are so delicious.
So guys, you have seen as I cook, they are also eating. So you can see now the plate is almost empty. The ones that I have put just some minutes, few minutes. So this is to show that they like crisps so much. So I'm happy. That is the happiness of every parent when you cook and then your children enjoys. So guys, these things are very sweet. You can try them at home. So delicious. You can try it, not just cooking the potato crisps. You can try this one. It's so nice, so delicious. So guys, thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Thank you for the support that you have been giving our channel. Kindly, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe for us. Yeah, the returning subscribers, the returning viewers, thank you so much. May God bless you. Now until the next video, let us say bye bye.